11 light. Question number A. Tick the correct options. Light travels in a straight line. Wood and paper show irregular reflection. The convex mirror forms an image that is all of these. The image that can be obtained on a screen is real. The lens used to correct short-sightedness is concave. The real view mirror in a car is made of convex mirror. Which of these color is not present in spectrum? Purple. Fill in the blanks. Light shows the phenomenon of rectilinear propagation. The image formed by a plane mirror is of the same size of that of the object. In case of convex mirror, its inner surface is polished. The convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror in a vehicle. Convex lens is used in spectacles to treat long-sightedness. The splitting up of white light into different colors is called dispersion of light. Reflection from a smooth surface is called specular reflection. Straight, true or false? Light travels in a straight line. True. A plane mirror produces real images. False. A plane mirror is used in kaleidoscope and periscope. True. In a spherical mirror, the reflecting surface is a plane surface. False. Concave lens is used in torches. False. The prism separates the color existing in white light. True. If a body reflects the light of all colors, it appears black. False. Match the following. यहाँ पर डायरेक्टली मैंने आंसर लिखा है. नंबर 1, रेक्टिलिनियर प्रोपगेशन, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लाइट, बैंड ऑफ 7 कलर्स, स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ लाइट, डॉक्टर्स हेड मिरर, कनकेव मिरर, एम्बुलेंस, लेटरल इन्वर्जन, प्लेन मिरर, रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन. Answer each in few words only. Which mirror is used as a makeup mirror? Concave mirror. Name the lens that is used as a reading glass. Convex lens. Name the lens which is thicker in the middle. Convex lens. Which is the light from the sun or light from the bulb? Answer is light from the sun. Give reason. Concave lens always form a virtual image. Concave lens always forms a virtual image because it diverges light rays, causing them to spread out after passing through the lens, and diverging lens always forms a virtual image. The color rate deviates the least in the dispersive medium like a prism. The color rate deviates the least in the dispersive medium like a prism because the red light has the longest wavelength and travels fastest to the prism, resulting in less bending. Concave mirror is different from the convex mirror. The difference arises due to their opposite curvatures, which affect how they reflect light rays. Concave mirror focus light to a point, while convex mirror spread light out. Answer each in 5 to 6 sentences. Define rectilinear propagation of light. देखिए इसमें 2 चीज डिफाइन दिया पूछा है, 5 to 6 सेंटेंसेस में आंसर देना है, तो थोड़ा इसको डिस्क्राइब करके लिखना होगा. अगर केवल डिफाइन पूछा जाता तो आप एक नंबर में तो आप केवल डिफाइन लिख सकते हैं, अदरवाइज इसको थोड़ा सा आपको डिस्क्राइब करके लिखना होगा. Define rectilinear propagation of light. We know that the fact that light travels in a straight line, this mode of travel of light is called rectilinear propagation of light. What is meant by reflection of light? When light falls on an object, the object reflects it back in all directions. When this light reaches our eyes, we become able to see the object. This bouncing back of light after striking the surface of an object is called reflection of light. What is lateral inversion? Lateral inversion is an interesting phenomenon wherein the image formed in a mirror seems to be inverted, that is, the left side seems to be on the right and vice versa. For example, if you stand in front of a plane mirror and stretch out your right hand, you will find that the left hand is stretched out. What are lenses? A lens is a transparent medium having one flat and one curved surface, or both the surfaces curved. Lenses that are made up of two curved surfaces are generally spherical. Prove that light travels in a straight line with the help of an activity. लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन स्ट्रेट लाइन. एक्टिविटी आपके बुक का ही मैंने यहाँ पे कॉपी कर दिया है, आप उसको अच्छे से लिख लोगे. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट आर रेगुलर एंड इरेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शंस, एक्सप्लेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायग्राम. Regular reflection when a parallel beam of light on striking some smooth and polished surface is reflected as a parallel beam of light. Such reflection is called regular reflection. ठीक है, ये ड्राइंग मैंने बनाया है। यहाँ पे स्मूथ सरफेस से रे जो है रिफ्लेक्ट होके पैरेलली रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है। इरेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन व्हेन ए पैरेलल बीम ऑफ लाइट ऑन स्ट्राइकिंग सम रफ surface is reflected in different direction, then such a reflection is called irregular reflection. इसमें क्या होता है, रफ सरफेस रहता है और ये स्ट्राइक करने के बाद जो रिफ्लेक्ट होता है वो डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन में होता है। डिफरेंस बिटवीन रियल एंड वर्चुअल इमेज बुक में ही था, तो उसी को मैंने यहाँ पे कॉपी कर दिया है। और कनकेव एंड कन्वेक्स मिरर में डिफरेंस है, तो इट्स रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस इज कर्व्ड आउटवर्ड्स। कनकेव मिरर में रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस कर्व्ड इनवर्ड। कन्वेक्स मिरर को इट इज ए डाइवर्जिंग मिरर, इट ऑलवेज फॉर्म्स ए वर्चुअल इरेक्ट एंड डिमिनिश्ड इमेज, इट इज यूज्ड एज ए रियर व्यू मिरर। और कनकेव मिरर इट इज ए कन्वर्जिंग मिरर, इट जनरली फॉर्म्स ए रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज, it is used as a saving mirror, torch and searchlight by dentists and in solar furnaces. Concave and convex lenses, तो concave lens में हो जाएगा it is thicker at the edge and thinner in the middle. It is also called diverging lens. It is used in spectacles to correct short-sightedness. It is used in telescope. Convex lens, it is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges. It is also called converging lens. It is used in spectacles to correct long-sightedness. It is used as a magnifying glass or reading lens.